I just made $67. So this trade, I took it, that was in the afternoon time. We are just going to go and take a pizza, and I'll teach you how to also make this amount of money every single day from your smartphone or PC if you have internet connection. So what I want to clarify to you guys is that, let's say you are making just $60 times 30. It's about $1,800. So with this strategy, you can make more than that in a month. Even if you are just making $30 per day in a month, that's about $900. Is it not better than working for someone? And this particular business model takes you like 1 to 6 months. And when you understand what you are doing, you never worry. You can work anytime that you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go and have a pizza. Make sure you follow my instructions in this video, because I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can also start making money in 2025 from your smartphone. I used to watch a cafe. When people come, they'll just buy time so that they can browse the internet. So I use this opportunity to pay online and learn how to trade. So some of you think you can just get up and start making money. No, it doesn't work like that. You need a particular system that have proven to work. And with the trading, I can see that it have worked for me because I'm from Africa now. So let's just go and get something to eat, then I'll show you around. And I also forgot something to add. You know, like, we have crypto trading and we have forex trading. They are all different. Forex trading is fiat currencies, and we have crypto trading, that's digital currencies. So for forex trading, it's not 24/7. Even on weekends, you cannot trade. For example, tomorrow the market will be closed for forex traders, but if you are trading crypto, it's open. And we have what we call an exchange. For forex, we use brokers. So for the exchange, it gives you a lot of options. Maybe you want to do crypto investment, you want to buy tokens and keep for 6 months. For even if you are looking at the last time that I did a video, that was back in 2023, Chainlink was around $8. Now Chainlink is almost $22, getting to $23. So even if you have invested $3 on it, by now you have made a lot of money. So this is how last time the KFC didn't really go well. So let's just go inside and grab some pizza. And what I want to say is that when you use the CoinMarketCap, we have where we call the playlist. When you do your own research, you can easily get tokens that are trending, then you start buying them. So even if you want, you can just buy like $1 of tokens. And Binance, you also have something we call auto investing. So with auto investing, you can easily time it. You can time it and they will get you the list of the coins that you'll be buying every single time. So let's just go inside, then I'll take the food. After that, we'll just continue with our vlog. Okay, I'm currently looking at the orders, and also our trade is still active. So let me just get the order, then I'll connect my PC to the Wi-Fi because I'm using a local SIM. So when you are traveling, you need international SIM so that you will be online. Alright, so you are invited. Let's just finish the meal. I have some important things that I need to share with you guys after the food. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys that for the crypto trading, we have three types. We have what we call crypto investing, we have swing trading, and we have day trading, and also scalping. So the last video that I did on TikTok, I explained a lot about scalping. So for the scalping, you use the 5 minutes time frame, and with the 5 minutes time frame, you need to have a strategy and a good network. For even taking a trade, you need to choose a good exchange, and choosing an exchange comes down to your jurisdiction. For example, if you are in Africa, using Binance and Bybit is perfect. But if you are in countries like Australia, you are in Canada, or let's say USA, you can be using KuCoin or OKX. But the only limitation is the leverage. With the leverage, if you are in Africa and you are using Binance, you can go with a leverage of 100x. You can even go with a leverage of 50x. But with OKX, your leverage is limited. And they also have something we call trade adjustment. So let's say I have $1,000 right now and I'm going to take a trade on Binance. With Binance, I can even decide to go with a leverage of 100x or 200x. But if we are using OKX, they will allow you to even use up to 50x leverage, because they will not allow you to even invest more than 20% of your capital on a single trade. Maybe you have seen a trade that and you think is perfect. When you take it, you might get like 5% back, 20% back of your money. On OKX, they will not allow you to do that. Most of my students from Nigeria were talking about the Binance incident. So some of them, those who make profit, are finding it difficult using the P2P. So because of that, now they are using Bybit. Just earlier on, I told you guys that if you are going to trade, you need to think about the exchange. So with the exchange, it deals and comes with your jurisdiction. Right now, I'm in Dubai. So if I'm in Dubai, Bybit might be working here, or Binance, or OKX might not be working here. So what do? I have to use an exchange that is working. So that's why I think if you are going to trade crypto, make sure that the wallet that you are using is available in your jurisdiction. My money has been locked on Coinbase because it was not working in Ghana, and I decided to choose it to store my crypto, and now I can't even withdraw it. So if you are in Nigeria and you are trying to trade crypto, or you just want to invest in crypto, I think you should use Bybit. So because Bybit, you can easily withdraw your money from P2P, just like that. But if you are using Binance, the P2P is not working there. Okay, so even after that, now that you have your exchange, let's say for example, you are in South Africa, you are using Binance. That's perfect. If you are in South Africa and you are using Binance, if you are in Dubai here, you can use Binance. If you are in Ghana, Togo, Benin, you can use Binance. Even in Liberia. But immediately you enter Nigeria, avoid using Binance. You can use Bybit, OKX, and KuCoin. I talked about three things: the exchange you are supposed to use and the trading style. So with the exchange, I was talking about the country that you are and the type of trading that you are going to use. So maybe you have decided to do scalping, or you have decided to do day trading or investment. You have already selected your exchange. Now what you need to do is start trading. If you are going to start trading, it's just like any other profession. You can't just get up and say that, okay, me, I'm going to start trading crypto. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to learn, and when you learn, you earn. So that's why I've created a community of people so that we can come together every single day. I try my best, find the perfect tokens. So maybe if a coin is going to pump, I'll tell you that this coin is going to pump. We can invest $30-50 in it, and we cash out $150, $200, $300, right? So it's easy for you to make money with our community. So just click the video description, you see a link and join. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Maybe you are having a difficult doing your facial recognition on Binance or Bybit, because this is money we are talking about. So you can't just say like, okay, let me download the app and just sign up and put money inside. You need to have an ID, maybe your student ID, your passport, to verify the account, deposit some money inside. And I'm also talking to those who are in USA, those who are in Canada, you are in Ghana, or you are in Dubai, and you don't know how to deposit money into your trading account. What you need to do is, I'll just place my WhatsApp number. You can text me, I'll receive the money, and I'll give you USDT or Bitcoin. Or maybe you just want to send money abroad, you want to send money to someone using cryptocurrencies, I can help you with that.